Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Here we have to move on the chapter number 30, that is heating effect of an electric current. In this concern, we will already have finished some chapter point, and now we'll have to explain about that the effect of heating, that is heating effect of an electric current. What would be the exact heating effect of an electric current? Before reaching to this, we'll have to know about what is the heating impact. Heating impact means what? When the electric current continuously supply in a electric conductor. So this conductor is heats up, and by heating this produces light and heat as well. So here we have, before explaining the something, now we will discuss on heating effect of electric current. What will do in case of a bulb? What will happen in case of a bulb? Let's study about in a very thoroughly in that medium. If you suppose to have a bulb, here we can have the coil structure. At the cap there is a leading structure that is called as a lead terminal. This is made up of a lead terminal. The next one, that is in the below to the lead terminal, there is an aluminum cap. This aluminum cap, and below this there is a glass stem. This is the base, in base or in the center you can see. This is the glass stem, and the covered up whole. This is completely our whole covered by a thin glass shell. And in case of a center, there will be the filament. These filament like a iron, nickel, iron and lead supporting wire. These are the supporting wire, that is of the nickel, iron and lead supporting wire. Nickel, iron and lead. Next to this, here is the very thin filament which is made up of a tungsten. When the electric current passes through this, the electric current flow through these helping, or you can say the supporting wires, and this can make the tungsten wire heat as well. When the tungsten wire heats up, it gets red hot, and by getting red hot, it can produces the light as well. The light can be, you can say that there will be the light producing, and by producing the light there will be an energy also releases in the form of a heat. So the heat and light energy generated over there, and in this concern we will know about this is an impact of heating effect of an electric current. So we can say this is an example of heating effect of an electric current. In another way, we can say in case of the heater, geyser, toaster, in all that cases, the heating of electric current can be found. Now we can say in case heating effect of an electric current, we will suppose to have tried an experiment to perform. How we get to know that there will be the current flow, and due to the current flow there will be the effect of an electricity might be occurred. Suppose here is if a cell, so the cell has to what? Supply electric current. So this electric current may be formed. Suppose here is a nail. Here is a nail, and in this the continuous electric supply will pass. What will happen if there is a board on which these nails are situated like this, in which the electric current continuously supplied? What will happen? After some time, this will get heated, and due to heated, this can be produces the energy. This is what, in this manner we can say this is a switch, this one is a cell. When the electric current continuous supply to this nail just heated up, and this can show the heating effect of an electric current. In this method we will see there are a lot of appliances works. What are these? The electric geyser, electric heater, electric toaster, electric iron. All these appliances or electrical appliances are work on the basis of heating effect of an electric current. This is not now enough. Here is an fluorescence tube, or we can say the compact fluorescence tube or light, CFL. CFL it is called as a compact fluorescence light. What is the fluorescence light said to be? Fluorescence light is a light in which there is a filament, and the filament gets supposed to have, if there is a LED, so the LED is composed of what? The fluorescence in which get filled. These fluorescence help in the glowing of bulb, that is LED. So how this work? What is the basis of this LED? This is works on the basis of the heating effect of an electric current. We will notice that the compact fluorescence light, this light can be generated only when there is an electric current passes, and by passing it there will be the heating effect caused. So it is work on the basis of the heating effect of an electric currents too. And rest to this, there will be a hair dryer, which is also act on the basis of heating effect of an electric current. In case hair dryer, there will be structure like this through which the air come out. Here is something to be placed as a element. This element when heated, and here is the blade which expelled this air through the outside. When these elements get heated, the air from this side which get out from the device or the appliances, it feels like a warm air. Why? Because here is the element which got firstly warmed or heat. By heating it, there will be the fan rotating towards from the outside towards from the inside towards the outside. That means expelling the air produced in it towards the outside. This air feels to be warmer. Why? Because due to the heating effect of an electric current. Next one is a circuit breaker. Circuit breaker, or it is also called as fuse. What is the fuse? Suppose here is a glass, and in which air is a light filament arranges. This could be connected toward the appliances in which the electric current gets flows. What will happen when the overflows, short circuit or any damaging happen? So firstly it will got break and the appliances get safe. So when it burst or when it fused or when it break, the electrical supply get interrupted. The electrical supply interrupted them. And in this concern, when the electric supply could not be proceed, so the no any appliances box, and due to which we can save or we can prevent our priceless or the important appliances too. In another segments, this is in the single form. When it is formed in a number, there will be called as circuit breaker 2. They are also called as a circuit breaker, but that could be formed as MCB, miniature circuit breaker, in which number of fuses are get together. When these fuses are get together by number in the mini form, so they are called as a miniature circuit breaker. So these are all the impact of heating effect of an electric current. Now we will have to move to the next one. What are these? In the next one, we'll have to go through the magnetic effect. Of electric current. Magnetic effect of an electric current. The other topic in which we see wherever is battery taken, through the battery there will be the continuous supply of charges may take place. Here is the switch, this is cell, switch, and here is a two iron nails on which the electric current continuous supplies. What will happen after being passed up the time? This can heat up. But when the continuously electric supply may takes place, so it behaves like dipole. That means the north pole and south poles as well. And it can be behaves like a magnet. Why it is called as a magnet? Why? Because when there is the continuous supply of electric current in a conductor, it could be acted as a magnet, or this can have the characteristics of a magnet, due to which it is act as a magnet or magnetic properties carried in them. So in another sense we can say, if there is a rod taken in which when the wire wrapped around and electric current continuously supplies, it behaves like what? It behaves like a magnet. So this one is called as the magnetic effect of an electric current. What are the examples to be said? By giving the example, we can say this is all important. This is the uses of electric effect or magnetic effect of an electric current. So this can be another form of a magnetic effect of an electric current. How it works? When the magnets, a number of amount of a magnet, there are a number of magnet form in which the electric supplies go through. By supplying the electric current, its raises or increases its strength. When the electric current flows, it can enhance the amount of power, or they can be enhance their strength as well. By strengthening the enhance, or by strengthening or enhancing the strength, there will be requirement of electric current. So the electric current is act as a magnetic behavior, or magnetic effect can be caused due to an electric current. This can be used in case of an electromagnet in electric train, or it is act as also in case of a call bell, or this can be act is in the electromagnet. Okay, we'll discuss later to the